At Sabre, the vision is a bricks and clicks future in which technology will blend traditional travel agencies, call centers, and travel websites, giving the consumer a more positive website experience. All too often, consumers abandon plans to purchase travel online when they encounter any difficulty within the website environment. Using the latest in internet-based technology, customers looking to buy travel online are helped by assisted shopping screens, which are supported directly by a travel consultant. Here, a customer has entered a travel request on an internet travel site enhanced by Sabre. An agent views the request and then returns travel options to the customer's web browser with personalized comments, providing a human interaction within the online buying process. The customer is now involved in a web chat session with a live agent and can ask questions and get responses in real time. Traditionally, the consumer with a question is stuck with only frequently asked question and help screens for assistance, and often the booking is lost. With assisted shopping technologies, questions are answered quickly, and the customer proceeds with the booking, confident that he has made an educated decision. The assisted shopping automation tool dramatically increases the efficiency of the agent by allowing them to manage up to 8 customer interactions at a time through web chat technology. Assisted shopping enhances human interaction with technology, bringing a new level of sophistication to booking travel on the internet. The end result is a decrease in the look-to-book ratio and a more profitable website.